empowering education and sustainability through Reckitt stores. The Reckitt stores within Green Acre communities are not just retail outlets, they are hubs of innovation, education, and sustainability. With a diverse range of products aimed at inspiring curiosity and promoting environmental awareness among children, these stores play a crucial role in shaping the minds of future generations with fun, knowledge-based educational products like solar-powered robotics kits. These kits combine the excitement of robotics with the power of solar energy, allowing children to build and customize their robots while learning about renewable energy technology. DIY wind turbine model kits. Kids can explore the mechanics of wind energy with these model kits, constructing their miniature wind turbines and experimenting with blade designs, wind speeds, and gear ratios. Renewable energy experiment kits. These kits provide hands-on experiments and activities that teach children about the various forms of renewable energy, including solar, wind, and hydropower. Eco-friendly building block sets made from recycled materials. These building blocks encourage creative play while instilling principles of sustainability and resource conservation. Solar system model kits. Children can embark on a journey through the cosmos with these model kits, learning about the planets, moons, and stars that make up our solar system. DIY water filtration kits. With these kits, kids can explore the importance of clean water and experiment with different filtration methods to purify water from various sources. Sustainable gardening kits. These kits provide everything children need to start their garden, from seeds and soil to tools and instructions, fostering a connection to nature and promoting healthy eating habits. Recycled paper making kits. Children can learn about the paper recycling process and create their own recycled paper, using household materials, promoting awareness of waste reduction and recycling. DIY composting kits. Teach kids about the natural process of composting and its role in organic waste management, empowering them to reduce food waste and enrich soil health. Solar-powered toy cars and vehicles. These fun and educational toys run on solar energy, demonstrating the potential of renewable energy in transportation and encouraging eco-friendly play. DIY birdhouse building kits. Kids can learn about habitat conservation and biodiversity while constructing birdhouses using sustainable wood materials, providing homes for local bird species. Hydroponics starter kits. Introduce children to the world of indoor gardening with hydroponics, allowing them to grow plants without soil and learn about nutrient cycles and plant biology. Renewable energy themed board games. These games combine entertainment with education, teaching kids about renewable energy concepts and environmental stewardship in a fun and interactive way. Eco-friendly art supplies. Non-toxic paints and recycled paper inspire artistic expression while promoting eco-conscious practices and reducing exposure to harmful chemicals. DIY solar oven kits. Kids can harness the power of the sun to cook with these solar oven kits, learning about solar energy conversion and sustainable cooking methods. Weather station kits. Explore meteorology and climate science with these kits, allowing children to monitor weather conditions and learn about weather patterns and phenomena. DIY beekeeping kits. Remote pollinator conservation and biodiversity awareness with these kits, providing children with the tools and knowledge to care for bees and their habitats. Renewable energy themed jigsaw puzzles. These puzzles challenge children to piece together images related to renewable energy sources and environmental conservation, reinforcing learning through play. DIY terrarium kits. Create miniature ecosystems with these kits, teaching children about plant life, ecosystems, and the water cycle in a hands-on way. Windy-powered kinetic sculpture kits. Explore the beauty of kinetic art and renewable energy with these kits, allowing children to design and build their wind-powered sculptures. DIY mini greenhouse kits. Learn about seed germination and plant growth with these kits, providing children with the tools to start indoor gardens and observe plant life cycles. Solar-powered water pump kits. Understand the principles of water circulation and renewable energy with these kits, allowing children to build and operate solar-powered water pumps. DIY electric circuit kits. Introduce children to the basics of electricity and electronics with these kits, providing hands-on experience with circuits, switches, and components. Renewable energy-themed storybooks spark imagination and curiosity with these educational storybooks that weave tales of adventure and discovery around renewable energy themes and environmental conservation. DIY rain gauge kits measure rainfall and precipitation with these kits, teaching children about weather monitoring and data collection while fostering an appreciation for the natural world. Sustainable fishing game kits learn about sustainable fishing practices and marine conservation, with these educational games promoting responsible stewardship of aquatic resources. Paper recycling kits turn waste paper into new creations with these kits, teaching children about the importance of recycling and resource conservation in a hands-on way. Solar-powered model boats sail the seas with these solar-powered model boats, showcasing the potential of renewable energy in maritime transportation and ocean conservation. Energy-efficient home models build miniature homes with energy-efficient features and sustainable design elements, promoting awareness of green building practices and energy conservation. Eco-friendly science experiment kits explore topics like biodiversity, ecology, and conservation with these hands-on science experiment kits, inspiring a deeper understanding of environmental issues and solutions. Our Rekicha stores have the potential to generate substantial revenue through the sale of these educational toys, kits, models, and DIY products, with an estimated average sale price of $20 to $100 per item, available in our community stores and in our online stores. Considering this, let's dive deeper into the impact that Rekicha stores will have on both our communities and the surrounding areas, along with the potential for revenue generation and job creation. 1. Economist impact revenue generation. With an extensive array of educational toys, kits, models, and DIY products, Rekicha stores have the potential to generate significant revenue within our communities. Assuming an average sale price of $20 to $100 per item, and considering the diverse range of products available, the cumulative revenue across all 200-plus Greenacre communities, coupled with our online stores, could amount to tens of millions annually. This revenue not only supports the operation of stores but also contributes to the economic vitality of the surrounding areas through increased spending and business activity. Job creation. The establishment and operation of Rekicha stores create employment opportunities within our communities and the broader region. From store managers and sales associates to product designers and logistics coordinators, these stores require a diverse workforce to support their operations. Additionally, the demand for local artisans and craftsmen to supply sustainable products further stimulates job growth and economic development. Hands-on learning. Each product offered by Rekicha stores is designed to engage children in hands-on learning experiences that promote curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking. For example, the DIY wind turbine model kits not only teach children about renewable energy but also provide a tangible understanding of aerodynamics and engineering principles. Similarly, the solar system model kits offer an interactive way for children to explore the planets and learn about space exploration. Environmental awareness. By incorporating themes of sustainability and environmental conservation into their products, Rekicha stores play a crucial role in raising awareness about pressing environmental issues among children. For instance, the eco-friendly building block sets made from recycled materials not only encourage creative play but also instill principles of resource conservation and waste reduction. Likewise, the DIY composting kits educate children about organic waste management and the importance of soil health in sustaining ecosystems. 3. Community impact. Community engagement. Rekicha stores serve as focal points for community engagement and collaboration, hosting workshops, events, and educational programs that bring residents together. For example, workshops on solar oven construction or sustainable gardening not only teach valuable skills but also foster a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose among participants. Additionally, community events centered around renewable energy-themed board games or jigsaw puzzles promote social interaction and family bonding. Outreach programs beyond our communities. Rekicha stores can extend their impact through outreach programs and partnerships with local schools, libraries, and community organizations. By providing educational resources and support to these institutions, REKY stores amplify their reach and contribute to the broader mission of promoting sustainability and STEM education in the region. With 250 or more Green Acre communities strategically positioned across the country, the cumulative revenue generated by REKY stores could reach tens of millions of dollars annually. This revenue not only sustains the operation of the stores but also fuels economic growth and prosperity within our communities and the surrounding areas. Additionally, the creation of hundreds of jobs within the retail sector and associated industries further strengthens the local economy and enhances the overall quality of life for residents. In summary, REKY stores within Green Acre communities represent more than just retail outlets. They are catalysts for economic growth, educational enrichment, and community empowerment. By offering a diverse range of sustainable products and engaging educational experiences, these stores inspire a new generation of environmentally conscious leaders and foster vibrant, resilient communities across the nation. The Green Acre RC Racing Association, fueling passion for sustainable technology, venue and facilities, designated and dedicated areas within each Green Acre Smart Sustainable Tiny Home Community for ARC racing tracks and facilities. These areas should be spacious enough to accommodate multiple tracks and offer both indoor and outdoor options for year-round racing. Constructed tracks tailored to accommodate various RC vehicles, including cars, boats, planes, and drones. Incorporate features such as jumps, obstacles, and bank turns to provide exciting and challenging racing experiences for participants of all skill levels. 2. Membership and Participation Association Astantis. Establish the Green Acre RC Racing Association, offering membership opportunities for residents of all ages. Memberships should include access to racing events, practice sessions, workshops, and exclusive perks. Engagement activities. Organize regular racing events, practice sessions, and workshops to engage community members and foster a sense of camaraderie. Provide opportunities for participants to learn from experienced racers, share tips and techniques, and collaborate on projects. 3. Educational programs. STEM education. Develop STEM education programs focused on RC technology, aerodynamics, engineering principles, and renewable energy. Offer hands-on activities and demonstrations that allow participants to apply theoretical concepts in practical settings. School partnerships. Partner with local schools and educational institutions to integrate RC racing into curriculum activities and extracurricular programs. Provide resources, training, and support for educators interested in incorporating RC technology into their lesson plans. 4. Marketing plan. Comprehensive acumen. Launch a comprehensive marketing campaign targeting residents of Green Acre communities, highlighting the benefits of RC racing for education, relaxation, and community engagement. Utilize various channels, including digital platforms, social media, and community newsletters, to reach a diverse audience. Promotional events. Host promotional events and demonstrations to showcase the excitement and accessibility of RC racing. Offer special discounts, giveaways, and incentives to encourage participation and generate buzz within the community. 5. Community management. Family-friendly events. Organize family-friendly events and open houses to introduce residents to RC racing and encourage participation across all age brackets. Provide opportunities for families to interact with RC vehicles, meet other enthusiasts, and learn about upcoming events. Offer rental services for RC vehicles and equipment to make the hobby accessible to newcomers and visitors. Provide introductory packages and beginner-friendly options to encourage trial and participation. Competition and championship structured events. Host regular RC racing competitions, leagues, and championships within Green Acre communities, featuring various categories and skill levels. Establish clear rules, regulations, and scoring systems to ensure fair and competitive gameplay. Recognition and rewards, award prizes, trophies, and recognition to top performers, fostering healthy competition and motivation among participants. Celebrate achievements and milestones to encourage continued participation and improvement. Relaxation and recreation, the spectator experience. Provide designated areas for spectators to watch races, relax, and socialize. Creating a vibrant and inclusive atmosphere. Offer amenities such as seating areas, refreshment stands, and shaded areas for comfort and convenience. Community gathering. ERC racing events serve as opportunities for community members to come together, connect, and enjoy recreational activities in a supportive and welcoming environment. Encourage social interaction, networking, and relationship building among participants and spectators. 8. Industry statistics. According to the International Federation of Model Auto Racing (IFMAR), the global RC racing industry generates an estimated $500 million in annual revenue. The RC car market alone is projected to reach $4.8 billion by 2025, driven by advancements in technology and increasing popularity among hobbyists and enthusiasts. The rise of electric-powered RC vehicles reflects a growing trend towards sustainability and eco-friendly alternatives. Electric RC vehicles offer quieter operation, lower maintenance requirements, and reduced environmental impact compared to their gas-powered counterparts. Benefits for kids engaging in ERC racing. Promotes critical thinking, problem-solving, and hand-eye coordination skills among children, contributing to their cognitive development and STEM literacy. Participation in ERC racing fosters teamwork, sportsmanship, and social skills, encouraging collaboration and friendship building in a supportive community environment. By introducing children to renewable energy concepts through electric-powered RC vehicles, Greenacre communities inspire a lifelong commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. Kids learn firsthand about the potential of clean energy technologies and the importance of responsible resource management. In conclusion, the Greenacre ERC Racing Association represents a unique opportunity to combine education, relaxation, camaraderie, and competition within our communities. Through innovative programming, inclusive participation, and a commitment to sustainability, RC racing becomes more than just a hobby. It becomes a catalyst for learning, growth, and community enrichment. Join us in fueling the passion for sustainable technology and empowering the next generation of innovators through the exciting world of renewable energy RC racing events. Thank you for watching, and remember, Recce 2, renew you too, renew the world.